What's going on YouTube? For Jussbuss Entertainment, it's Andrew Jackson. This is going to be a review of the Nike Air Trainer 3 in the Wolf Grey colorway, also known as the Nike Air Trainer SC. Let's take a closer look. I bought these on eBay for close to $100 in June 2015. I've put links below where you can buy these. These shoes feature a monotone grey suede base, a matching plastic cage, and a Velcro strap at the midfoot. Let's take a look at these on feet. Here's a look at these shoes with jeans and shorts. So I decided not to rate this shoe on any scale from like 0 to 10 because I don't think that's going to do the shoe any justice. Personally, I think this shoe is worth buying though, because close to $100 you're getting a quality shoe and you're getting a shoe that's easy to match with, especially in this colorway. These shoes also have a decent amount of history that I've detailed in this video right here. I find these shoes to be true to size, but I also recommend doing some additional research before you buy your own. That's my 2 cents. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Remember to catch all our related videos, like the brief history of this shoe, the Nike Air Trainer 3 or the Nike Air Trainer SC. Originally released in 1989 as the Nike Air Trainer SC, this shoe was designed by Nike's classic shoe designer Tinker Hatfield for Bo Jackson. Hit that subscribe button for more videos.